Silver, we start with the daily chart. Okay, if we refer back to my last video when the price was here, I mentioned that we can have entry below this. Okay, now the question is whether the traders, they could get the trade whether from having entry below this or this, because over that time we point about this below here, exactly here. All right, now those traders, they could get the trade. Now at least they should move their stop loss to break even, since maybe we will have a bigger correction here, or if they take the profit somewhere around this, then good. Okay, now what's the next? Okay, now whether can we expect to get this one can continue and drop some more? Okay, this is what we are looking for. And I mean, right now we don't have any trade set up for sell, but if we get the correction here, if the price start to correct here, we will be more interested in the sell. It depends whether we get the big correction or small correction. It depends what we will get from here, but right now we don't have any trade set up. And again, we will be more interested in the sell, even if my last video I mentioned if buy, because if we move to low higher time frame daily chart, now if we consider this one as a move and this is a correction, can we expect this is the one is going to test this low again? Or still we are within this long move? That means the price can drop some more, then we will have this. Okay, anyway, we are more, if we get the sell, we are more interested in the sell in case this is the start of the down move. But it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse and continue from here. It can, but as we can see, the price broke the top and sharply reversed. Okay, this is the top, all right, and sharply reverse. That's why still we can consider this one as a correction. Now if we move to even if we refer back to the MACD, we see the divergence between this and this. Okay, and even here and as well here. Okay, now again the divergence just is additional information for us. It doesn't mean because of the divergence the price can drop, but if we get the down move sell, we are more interested. Okay, and based on forward chart, we see we don't have any trade setup. We need to see what we will get here. Is there any possibilities sharply again price can drop? Yeah, but we need to get the trade setup. All right, in this case, if I move back to 1 hour chart, all right, again based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we need to see what we will get here. We need to get the confirmation before we look for sell. And beside that, can we expect the price similar to what draw here sharply reverse? It can. All right, it doesn't mean it cannot, but if we get the sell, we are more interested in the sell. And the only times we can look for buy if we get any buy setup similar to what we have here. That means if I see any sharp move with a small flag or correction, it depends. We need to then maybe we change our mind and we look for buy. But if the prices start to correct here, how high it can go, we are not sure. We need to see. Then any sell, we take it. Maybe we can buy within the correction for the short-term trade. Okay, now the good thing is, can we look for this as a sharp move with flag to have entry above this? I don't like it. Okay, I'm not going to trade this. No, I need to wait. Okay, anyway, now what we are more interested, to get the correction and get the sell, and the price can come to this level or not. If we get any sell, as long as the price come to this level, from there we need to make a decision. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If we see any changes, then from there we update on YouTube. Thanks.